Hey guys, Cadillac, Harley Davidson, Panama City Beach. It's that time of the week, bike of the week. So come with me, let me show you what I got. Got something special, I think you're gonna like it. Now what I have here is a color combination we haven't had all year long. Now we've had a few of the Billiard Teals, but none on the black engine package. And what we have on here today is on a 2021 Road Glide Special. Now then, let me show you a couple key features about the Road Glide Special. Of course, it has the Prodigy wheels on it. Everybody loves that. Again, new for this year, the chopped engine guard. Milwaukee 8, 114 engine, stage 1. Got a ventilator air filter on it, ready to go. One thing I like on the Specials is you do have the color batch saddlebag latches, so it flows in real good on the stretch saddlebags. We added docking hardware here, so ready to go to pop a backrest, tour pack on it, luggage rack, whatever you need there. And of course on the 2021s, again you have the low profile dash, and this bike was equipped from the factory with the optional, I know that sounds funny, reflex defensive rider system, so a great little safety system they have on the bikes now. You really need to check that out. And of course navigation, security, anti-lock brakes, all the great stuff that you get on the Road Glide Special. So guys, come on in and take a look at this one before it gets away from us, or any of the other motorcycles we have out here. Take them on a test ride. And folks, remember, the bike you're looking at today and going home to think about, somebody else did yesterday and they're on their way back to get it. So don't wait too long on it. Again, this is Cadillac, Harley Davidson, Panama City Beach. Thanks a lot for watching.